U.S. would allow export of European F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. According to information published by CNN on May 19, 2023, the U.S. has recently affirmed its willingness to permit the export of European F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. During the Russian invasion in February 2022, the Ukrainian Air Force responded to the advancing Russian aerospace forces, but the exact number of disabled or destroyed aircraft remains unclear. The Russian Defense Ministry claimed significant damage to Ukrainian air defenses, while the Ukrainian Defense Ministry did not provide official figures. President Volodymyr Zelensky has asked the United States for F-16s. The latter have so far refused, but they allow their European allies to give them to him. About the F-16. The F-16, a single-seat fighter jet, possesses a length of 49 feet 5 in, a wingspan of 32 feet 8 in, and a height of 16 feet. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 42,300 pounds and is powered by a General Electric F-110 GE-129, providing exceptional thrust. With a top speed of Mach 2.05, the F-16 can reach 1,176 knots at 40,000 feet. It has a combat range of 295 nautical miles and a service ceiling of 58,000 feet. The aircraft is armed with a 20mm M61A1 Vulcan cannon and can carry a variety of missiles, bombs, and rockets on its hardpoints. Equipped with advanced avionics such as the AN/APG-68 radar, AN/ALR-56M radar warning receiver, and AN/ALQ-213 electronic warfare suite, the F-16 excels in combat situations. It also features a range of additional systems including targeting pods, ECM pods, and EOIR sensor pods. Multiple European countries, including Belgium, Denmark, Greece, the Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, and Romania, possess the highly capable F-16 fighter jet.